Hey guys, Levi from the Rag Company, and in today's video, we are talking about the IK Multi-Pro 12 Plus. So the Multi-Pro 12 Plus is very similar to the Foam Pro 12, but this doesn't foam. It does do a great job of spraying any of the liquids in your arsenal, all the way through the pH scale, meaning that this one is suitable for acids and works with alkalis. So you can literally mix up whatever product you want in here and spray it to your heart's content. The other great thing is because this is a plus, it has a Schrader valve right there. So you can attach a Schrader valve and use a compressor to fill it up. It's also compatible with their e-compressor that you can mount to the unit, turn it on, hook it up, and it will always provide constant pressure and keep this tool properly pressurized at all times. It comes with a hose and a connector wand, and the wand has two different tips. It has a conical tip and a fan spray tip. So whatever you're spraying can come out of either one of those tips. So there you go, everything you need to know about the IK Multi-Pro 12 Plus. Pick one up today, try it out for yourself, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.